got this whole field to drag up. Mikey said he's coming with something to do it. I haven't seen him yet. But he said, I got a tractor, I'll bring it right down, it'll be no problem. I'll help you out. So now I'm just waiting for him to show up.
What do you mean this tractor's not big enough? It'll do the job just fine. It just takes a little bit more time than you thought it would.
Mikey, that tractor's never going to be big enough to drag this whole field. I just don't know what you were thinking. For one, what is it? I've never seen anything like that. I gotta say, it is pretty cool. But do you even know what it is?
This is a 1940s to 1950s era David Bradley tractor. They originally were more of a two-wheel tractor. They did have four-wheel tractors, but the two-wheel tractor was used mainly for gardens and garden beds, for rototilling, small work.